Now hello, welcome to my video. Today's video, we're going to be reviewing the CoZoo desk lamp. Now I'm not doing an overhead video right now because this video is based on a product that is very big. This is the desk lamp by CoZoo. It has 3 USB fast charging 3.0 ports. It has numerous touch sensitive buttons and 2 outlets. All of this is fast charging. These two are fast outlets. It has I think 100 volt wattage that can be outputted from these. And I'm going to show you the light. So the light has a touch sensitive, like I said, on, off and on. And it's really bright. It's lighting up this whole video right now. I'm going to be using this as light. You could dim it. So that's dim. It's the lowest setting. Second highest and brightest. There we go. Looks very nice. And then we also have a few other modes. We have cool, warm, and normal. You could turn up the brightness for all of those as well. So that's cool. That's warm. So if you want a warm environment, and this is normal. You also have a 60-minute timer right here. I don't know if you can see that. My phone shadow is in the way, I'm sorry. There we go, 60-minute timer. And when you do turn that on, to indicate that light right there turns orange. 60-minute timer. Okay, so you have this arm right here that can be adjusted to however you want. You can put it all the way down. You can put it straight back up. You can move this light up so it's just a big tower. You could put this all the way down or at an angle. However you want, whatever you want to do it. This light can do it. Now that possibly made no sense, but here it is. You have 45 LEDs in here. And as you can see, it has a mixture of white, orange, and another white. So, yes, this is very bright. I'm going to be using this for every single video from now on as my lighting source. I highly recommend you guys to use it as a lighting source to start YouTube as well. Number one, because it's going to help out for anybody who's starting off, and it's really good. Now I'm going to be showing off a few products. We do have a box here by Apple.